Question 31. Two particles A and B, each having a charge capital Q, are placed at a distance d apart. Where should a particle of charge small q be placed on the perpendicular bisector of AB so that it experiences maximum force? What is the magnitude of this maximum force? Here, the two charges are capital Q here, and third charge small q is placed at the perpendicular bisector at distance x from midpoint. Now, since all three charges are of same nature, so force due to capital Q and small q will be in this direction, say it is F1, and force due to this capital Q and Q will be in this direction, say it is F2. They will be equal in magnitude. So let's find out their magnitude. F1 equal to F2 equal to, say, F, and that will be equal to capital Q small q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught times this distance. So this distance will be equal to x square plus d square by 4. Now, if this angle is theta, here this angle is also theta. So f cos theta component will be in this direction and f sin theta component will be in this direction. And due to this force, F2, whose magnitude is f itself, so f cos theta component will be in this direction and f sin theta component will be in this direction. Clearly, cos theta components will cancel out and net force will be due to sin theta components. So net force will be 2f sin theta. So force will be 2f sin theta. So twice of capital Q small q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught times x square plus d square by 4 times sin theta. Sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So that will be x upon x square plus d square by 4 whole power half. So we can say that f will be equal to 2qq x divided by 4 pi epsilon naught times x square plus d square by 4 whole power 3 by 2. So this is it. Now, we have to maximize this force. So for maximum or minimum, we know that df upon dx must be 0. So we have to find out its first derivative and then we will equate it to 0. So df upon dx. So it will be equal to capital Q small q divided by, here 2 will cancel out, this 2. So divided by 2 pi epsilon naught within bracket quotient rule x square plus d square by 4 whole power 3 by 2 into derivative of x, that will be 1 minus x into 3 by 2 times x square plus d square by 4 whole power 1 by 2 times its derivative, that will be 2x whole divided by denominator square, that is x square plus d square by 4 whole power 3. Now we equate it to 0. So we write it df upon dx equal to 0. So df upon dx equal to 0 will give this thing, numerator will be 0. So here, if we take out x square plus d square by 4 under root, then x square plus d square by 4 outside, then under root, then x square plus d square by 4 will be left here, and here 2 will cancel out and it will be 3x square which is equal to 0. This term can't be 0, then this term will be 0. So it will become 2x square must be equal to d square by 4, which gives x square equal to d square by 8, or x equal to, it will give x equal to d upon 2 root 2. So we write x equal to d upon 2 root 2. Now with this value, we have to find out what is maximum force. And we have got the relation for force, this. So we put the values. So it will become F maximum, or we can write it here, F maximum. So Q in place of x, we write d upon 2 root 2 divided by 2 pi epsilon naught times x square. X square means d square by 8. D square by 8 plus d square by 4 whole power. It is 3 by 2. Now we simplify it. Here we make this 2 as 4 pi epsilon naught. So let's write it q small q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Then we have to multiply by 2, and then it is d upon 2 root 2 whole divided by, this will become 3d square by 8 whole power 3 by 2. Let's further simplify. Now it will become capital Q small q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. From here, this 2 will cancel out, or we can retain it. 2d divided by 2 root 2 times, this can be written as 8 power 3 by 2 divided by 3 power 3 by 2 into, here 2 will cancel out and d cube will be left. So further, we write it as f equal to capital Q small q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. And from here, 1d will cancel out. So we can write d square here. Then we are left with 2 times 8 power 3 by 2 means 8 root 8 divided by 2 root 2 means root 8. So we can write it as this root 8, so that root 8 may cancel out. And then 3 root 3 means 3 power 3 by 2 means 3 root 3. Now, so here number is 16 in numerator, and in denominator it is 3 root 3, 3 into 1.732. So if we divide, so we will get it around 3.08. So division of this will be 3.08. So our final answer will be F equal to 3.08 times capital Q small q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught d square, which is our answer. Thank you for watching.